There's a lot of confusion around the difference between pattern generators and generative AI. When we talk about AI patterns, are we talking about patterns with images made from generative AI like DALL-E or Midjourney, or using autoconverters like Flosscross or WinStitch? While some people use the term interchangeably, we mean the former. An AI pattern isn't a chart made by AI, it's a chart made from an AI-generated image. A pattern mill could use both methods, taking an AI image and converting it into a chart. But using a converter alone doesn't imply the design was AI created. The majority of designers use a pattern software to create their charts. Tools like Flosscross or Stitch Fiddle are algorithmic, not generative. The pattern conversion can be good or bad. With most human-made charts, patterns are cleaned up to remove confetti, refine color choices, choose appropriate symbols, and remove barely used colors. With pattern mills, they convert the image and don't make any corrections. When using image-to-pattern algorithms, you input a photo and the software outputs a grid of colors. While you can just use the default settings, these converters usually have options to refine the algorithm, such as choosing what size you want and how many colors to use. More colors will make your pattern look more like your photo, but it will also make it harder to stitch. Fewer colors means less detailed shading, and some colors will be lost. Some converters even have options to choose between presets, like photo and clip art, where the photo preset will use dithering to give a more realistic image, and the clip art preset tries to keep colors solid. In WinStitch's documentation, they even say, do not assume the first thing you try is the best you can do. If the results are not what you expect, try other settings and sizes. While pattern generators are not AI, chances are if an AI image is being used, the seller is skipping the cleanup, resulting in a poor quality pattern. Identifying AI art these days is starting to feel like the rules for identifying the Fae in old tales. Count the fingers, count the knuckles, count the teeth, check the shadows, and under no circumstances should you make any deals with their kind. Generative AI has managed to embed itself into every corner of our day-to-day lives. It's already being used in ads, books, t-shirts, and even traditional crafts like crochet, embroidery, and cross-stitch. It's getting harder and harder to avoid and identify, so let's talk about that.